All right, my name is John Poncello, and I am making a series of tutorials for Ableton, teaching guitar students how to loop. And just now I just demoed it, and basically these videos are going to be broken up into three. The first one is just kind of get a look around Ableton, figure out how it works. Then I'm going to show you how to use, and just basically create a really simple loop. And then I'm going to show you how to make a really simple drum track. And then I'm going to teach you in the third one how to make multiple loops and then combine them, sequence them together, so you can actually make a whole song, this way, and improvise over each different part. So it really opens up a lot more than just your regular loop pedal. For pretty much all my students, there comes a time when they start wanting to use a loop pedal because it's such a cool idea that you can play a chord progression and then play lead guitar over it. But I find after a while, like a couple weeks or something, it loses its shine. There's a lot of problems with the loop pedal, like getting it to be in time, and a lot of it's just kind of difficult to get it to work the way that you want it to. So Ableton is it's just a lot easier to use. It's a lot more customizable, and once you learn how to do it, I find it's something that you can really grow musically within. So check out these videos, and I think there's something for everyone, even if you're not a guitarist. Especially if you're not a guitarist, I mean, you can do as many instruments as you know how to play, and also, I mean, go down the whole world of virtual instruments. It's insane. It's Pandora's box. So all right, let's open it.